Hi children, shall we do something interesting today? We learn to recognize numbers 1 to 10. Very good. We learn to count numbers. We learn to count pictures 1 to 10. So now we know numbers, we know how to count. Today we are going to count and match. We are going to count the pictures and match the pictures with the correct number. We are going to see how clever you are. Count the picture, recognize and find the number and match to the correct number. Yes, and that's what we are going to do today. Count and match. Shall we? Yes, let's go to our first pictures. Let's do our first exercise and see how clever you are. Look carefully. Yes, we have numbers here. We have pictures here. Let's look at our first pictures. Look, all the puppies are smiling at you. Look, count. Touch and count the pictures of the puppies. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You learn to count. Touch and count. Now, we have lots of numbers here. Can you tell me where is number 1? Yes, very good. Number 1. Put one finger up. Good. You learn to recognize where is number 1. Now, look carefully. Where is number 2? Where is number 2? Here. Good. Number 2. Now, where is number 3? Shall we look for number 3? Show me where is number 3. Here. Number 3. Now, how many puppies were there? There were 3 puppies. And what is the number? Yes, 3. So you found the answer 3. Very good. You counted 1, 2, 3 puppies and you found the answer 3. Very good. This is matching 3 pictures to number 3. Draw a line to number 3. So 3 pictures, number 3. Excellent. What are we doing? We are learning to count the pictures and match it with the correct number. Excellent. So you are becoming very clever. The first exercise you did well. Shall we go to our next exercise? Good. And see how clever you are. Look what you have here. Again, lots of numbers are here. Yes? And pictures are here. Let's count the pictures carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 what? 4 teddy bears are there in this. In this box, how many teddy bears are packed? 4. Now, where is number 1? Yes, number 1 is here. Good. Where is number 2? Good. You found number 2. Very good. Now let's look for number 3. Here. 3. We found number 3. Let's look for the next number. Where is the next number? Good. 4. Next number is number 4. Very good. How many teddy bears were there? There were 4 teddy bears. Did you find the answer? Yes, you found the answer. 4 teddy bears. And here's the number. You match the 4 teddy bears with the number 4. Very clever children. Yes, 4 teddy bears match with the number 4. Very good. You are excellent. Shall we go to our next exercise and see whether we can do the count and match? Okay? Look what we have here. Look, lots of numbers here. Lots of numbers. And what do we have inside here? Picture of a jug. This is the picture of a colorful jug. Mommy keeps water in it, isn't it? How many jugs are there? There's only one jug. How many? One jug. Can we find the number 1 here? Where is number 1? Here we are. Number 1. Number 1. One jug, one number. Very good. You learn to match one jug with the number 1. Clever children. Looking at all the numbers, we found number 1. Learn to recognize where is number 1. Good. Matching one jug with one number. Good. Shall we go to our next exercise? Count the pictures and recognize the number and match it correctly. Look carefully. Look at all the numbers we have here. Yes? Let's count how many in the box. What is in the box? There are balls in the box. Shall we count the colorful box one by one? Touch and count. 1, 2. How many balls are there in the box? 2. 1, 2. Very good. Lots of numbers around. Yes? What's number 1? Can you recognize number 1? Very good. Here it is. Number 1. Can you recognize the number 2? Look for number 2. Here we are. Number 2. How many balls are there? 1, 2. Where is number 2 here? We are learning to match pictures with the number and he found the correct answer. Number 2, we matched with the 2 colorful balls. Excellent! You are becoming very clever. There are 2 balls and you found the number and we matched the number with the pictures of 2 balls. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Count the pictures. Recognize the correct number and match. Shall we? Look what we have in the box. Okay? Let's count all the hearts in the box. Touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count again. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hearts are there in the box? There are 5 hearts in this box. Now, can you recognize number 1? Let's find where number 1. Here it is. Is it 1 heart in the box? No. This is number 1. That's it. Can you recognize and find number 2 for me? Number 2. Here it is. Good. Number 2. There are 2 hearts in the box? No. Good. Let's look at. Recognize and find number 3 for me. Where is number 3? Here it is. Number 3. Are there 3 hearts in the box? No. After 3, let's find number 4. Please find number 4 for me. Here it is. Number 4. Are there 4 hearts in the box? No. Let's find. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hearts are there? 5. Can you find number 5 here? Let's look for number 5. Here it is. There are 5 hearts and number 5 is here. We are matching the number 5 with the 5 hearts in the box. Very good. Very good. You are very clever children. Number 5 We match with 5 hearts in the box. Good. Shall we go to our next exercise? Count the pictures and recognize the number and match it. So you're becoming very clever, very intelligent. Look what we have over here. There is a box with lots of apples. Let's count, touch and count each apple. Shall we? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples are there in the box? There are 10 apples in this box. How many apples? 10 apples. Good. Now, I'll show you a number. Tell me, what number is this? What number? Good. Number 6. Excellent. Are there 6 apples here? No. Good. Okay, I'll show you another number. What number is this? This number? Good. Number 7. Excellent. Number 7. Are there 7 apples in the box? No. Okay. Shall I show you, ask you another question? Look. What number is this? Yes. Number 8. Are there 8 apples in the box? No. Okay. Now tell me. What number is this? Good. Number 9. You're very clever children. This is number 9. Are there 9 apples in the box? No. How many apples are there? There are 10 apples. Can we find number 10 over here? Yes. What number is this? 10. 1 and 0. 10. How many apples are there? 10 apples in the box. This is number 10. Count again. This is number 10. Apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples in the box, and you found the 2-digit number 1010. Very clever. We learned to count the apples. We learned to look at the number and recognize and match it. Very good. Shall we go to our next exercise? Count the pictures. Recognize the number and match it. Good. Look what we have here. Beautiful red roses. Do you love roses? Yes, I too. Shall we count? How many roses are there in the box? Here is the box. Let's count them. Touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many roses are there in a box? There are 6 roses in this box. Now I ask you a question. Can you? There are many numbers here. Okay? Can you recognize number 6? Is this number 6? No. 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 What is this number? Good! That is number 6. So we counted 6 roses in this box and we recognize the number 6. Match the picture of 6 roses with the number 6. Excellent. You are very good. You learn to recognize the number 6 correctly, counting the pictures on the board. Very good. Shall we go to our next exercise? Count the pictures, recognize the number and match. Good. Look what we have here. There is a box of bees. What do bees give us? Honey. Now let's count all the tiny bees in this box. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bees are there in this box? There are 8 honey bees. Put it into this box. Now I'll ask you something. You should tell me, you should be able to recognize the number 8. Okay? Is this number 8? No, this is number 6. Very good. Is this number 8? No, it's number 7. Very good. Is this number 8? No, that's number 9. Then where's number 8? Here it is. How many bees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bees are in the box? There are 8 bees are there in the box. And this is number 8. We match the number 8 with the 8 bees in the box. 8 honey bees in the box. Number 8 is here. Very clever. So we know how to recognize the number. We know how to count the number of things in the box and match it correctly. Excellent, children. Shall we go to our next exercise? Count the pictures. Recognize the number and match. Yes, look what we have here. Yummy, your favorite. What is it? Ice cream. Shall we count them all? Count with me. Touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. How many ice creams are there in this box? There are 7 strawberry ice creams in the box. 7. Okay. Is this number 7, children? No. Then where is number 7? Check. What number is this? Good. This is number 7. How many ice creams are there in the box? There are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 strawberry ice creams in the box. And we found the number 7. We recognize number 7. Match the number with the number of ice creams in the box. Very good. You are becoming very smart. Shall we do our next exercise? Count the pictures. Find, identify the correct number and match. Look what we have here. Look carefully. We have several magic wands. Who uses a wand? A fairy. Look, let's count all the wands here. Touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many magic wands we have here? There are 9 magic wands in this box. Okay? Now you tell me. You know how to write number 9? You know to recognize the number? Tell me, is this number 9? No. Very good. Is this number 9? No, that's number 6. Is this number 9? No, that's number 10. Is this number 9? No, that's number 8. But how many magic wands are there? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then where is number 9? Here we are. Good. This is number 9. That's the answer for 9 magic wands in the box. The 9 magic wands in the box, we are matched with the number 9. Very clever, children. We learn to count. We learn to recognize the number and match. Beautiful. Hi, children. What is here? Shall I read for you? Odd one out. What is the meaning of that? odd one out. Supposing 3 children are standing around, 2 are girls and 1 is a little boy. Which is the odd one? Yes, 1 little boy. What we are trying to do here, what we are going to learn is, look at all the pictures. And if there are 3 cars and 1 aeroplane, which is the odd one out? The aeroplane. So like that, different pictures I'm going to give you. I'll give you 4 pictures and you look at all of them carefully and tell me which is not part of that group. That is what we call odd one. If there are all cars, 1 is an aeroplane, that's a different one. Yes? And if you have all girls and 1 boy is there, the boy is the odd one out. So we are going to pick out the odd one from the 4 pictures I give you. Let's see how clever you are, how quick you are to find out which one is not part of that group. Shall we? Yes. Now let's look at our first picture. Study the 4 pictures. Look what is there and which is not part of that group. Now we have lots of things here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. Yes? What is this? Flower. Can you name the flower for me? Very good. It's a big flower. Sunflower. Huge flower. Okay. What flower is this? Nice red, beautiful one. Hibiscus. Good. And then what flower is this? Rose. Good. What is this beautiful orange thing here? Carrot. What is a carrot? Carrot is a vegetable. Very good. So we have sunflower, shoe flower, hibiscus. We have rose. 3 are flowers. 1, 2. And this is a vegetable. Very good. Is vegetable part of this? No. So the odd one here is the vegetable. 3 are flowers. This is the odd one out in this picture. Very good. This is how you find. So in every exercise, you will get 4 pictures. You find out which one is different from the other. 3 flowers, 1 vegetable out. Very good. Shall we take our next picture? Look carefully and tell me which one is not part of the group. Look, we have lots of beautiful things here. What is this? It's a picture of a crow. What is the color of the crow? Black or grey. Good. This is a crow. What is a crow? A bird. Good. What is this? A lovely green parrot. What is a parrot? It's a bird. Very good. And what do you have here? In the water. Somebody's swimming in the water. Duck. What is a duck? Duck is a bird. Good. What is this? Beautiful black and red. Butterfly. What is a butterfly? Butterfly is an insect. Very good. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3 birds. Crow, parrot and duck. 3 birds and this is a butterfly. So this is the odd one out. Very good. See how clever you are becoming? Picking the odd one. Birds from the insect. Okay? Good. Shall we take our next exercise and to see how smart you are? Good. Look at all this. Look. What is this? Pomegranate. Good. And what is this? It's an apple. Good. And this one? It's a mango. Good. What is this? It's a potato. So, you have pomegranate, apple and mango. All 3 are what? Belong to what family? Fruit family. Very good. And this one, potato, it belongs to the family of vegetable. It's a vegetable. Very clever children. So we have 3 fruits and 1 vegetable. That's the odd one out. Excellent. We are learning to choose the odd one out. 3 fruit, 1 vegetable. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Go to another exercise. Look at the pictures and find the odd one out. Let's see how good you are. Look at each picture and see what we have. Okay? Now, look here. What is this? The picture of a bear. Very good. Bear. Very good. What is a bear? It's an animal. Good. What is this? Cat. A pussycat. Very good. What is pussycat? It's an animal too. What is this? Camel. Where do you find camel? In the desert. What is a camel? It's an animal too. What is this? Crab. What is this? Crab. Where does a crab live? In the water, in the sea. It's a sea animal. Now these animals, the bear, the cat and the camel, they live on land. Land animal. This one, a crab, it's found, lives in the water. It's a water animal. So which is the odd one out? It's the crab. That's the odd one out. These 3 are land animal. This animal, sea animal, lives in the water. Yes? Very clever children. Let's go to another exercise. Find the odd one looking at the pictures and let's see how clever you are. Look, your favorites are all here. What is this? Lady's finger. You love to eat lady's finger? Yes. What is lady's finger? It's a vegetable, your favorite one. Good. And what is this? Lovely green color. What is it? It's a bottle gourd. It's a vegetable too. Good. What is this? Beautiful purple color vegetable. Brinjal. Very good. That's also a vegetable. What is this? Banana. What is banana? It's a fruit. Very good. So you have lady's finger, bottle gourd and brinjal. 3 belong to the vegetable family, vegetable group, and here you have the fruit, banana, which belong to the fruit family, and that's the odd one from the vegetable. These 3 are vegetable, this is the fruit. Excellent. You are becoming very clever. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the picture, find the odd one out and see how good you are. Look at the picture. There are a lot of things here. Look. Let's look at. What is this? This is a car. Your daddy's car. What is this? It's a big vehicle. It's a bigger car. This is another car. Okay? We have 3 cars here. Very good. Now what is this? Beautiful. Going in the water. It's a lovely little boat. You can travel in the boat. All are vehicles. Yes? What's the difference here? These 3 are cars. They move on the road. This is a boat which goes on the water. So this is a odd one out. The vehicle that move on the road, the vehicle that goes in the water. Odd one. Very good. So we are becoming very clever. The transport on the road goes on the road. This is the transport that goes in the water. Odd one. Clever children. Shall we take another exercise? Another picture. Find the odd one out. Good. Look what we have here. What is this? You're scared of this, isn't it? It's in your house all over. Cockroach. Very good. What is a cockroach? It's an insect. Beautiful, bright red cockroach that come frightening you, isn't it? What is this? This is a housefly that brings fever for you. Sits on your food. Housefly. What is a housefly? Again, it's an insect. Good. What is this? This is a naughty little insect. What is it? It comes and troubles you day and night. Mosquito. Very good. Mosquito brings fever. Yes, mosquito is also an insect. And what is this? Looks like a snake. What is it? It's an earthworm. Where does he live? Under the earth, among the soil. Earthworm. Okay? So now, which is the odd one out here? Definitely the earthworm that lives under the soil is odd one from the three insects that live in your house and trouble you. Cockroach, housefly, and mosquito all live in your house to give you trouble. And this is an earthworm that lives in the soil in the garden. This is an odd one. Very good. You are becoming very clever. Shall we look at another exercise, another picture, and find the odd picture out? Good, look carefully what we have here. What is this? It's a beautiful chair, your daddy's office. You might have seen he sits and he can turn any side. It's a beautiful little chair. What is this? Again, you might find this in doctor's room. Again, what is it? It's a chair. And what is this? This is also a wooden chair. Very good. It's also a chair. What is this? This is a table. A table. So what are all this? All are furnitures. All chairs and tables. So now let's look. We have one chair, two chairs, three different type of chairs. And what is this? A table. So we have chairs, table is the odd one out. Very clever. Three different types of beautiful chair, and here is a table that is different from the chair, a table. Very good. Clever children. Shall we look at another exercise, another picture? Look carefully and find the odd one out. Look what we have here. What are they? Lots of trees are here, isn't it? What is this now? Tall. It's a coconut tree. Very good. And what is this? Can you see something hanging here? It's a banana tree. Very good. And here's another huge round banyan tree. Very good. And what is this? There's a pot here. There's a tiny little tomato plant here. It's a tomato plant in a pot. Now look at all the pictures. We have coconut tree, banana tree, and we have banyan tree, and this is a tiny little tomato plant in a pot. So which is the odd one out? The tomato plant is the odd one out because the other three are huge trees. Very clever children. Learn to find how to pick out the odd one. Good. Shall we take another picture? Now look. Look at the picture. Lovely things are here. Look carefully. Recognize what they are and find the odd one. Shall we? What is this? This is a polar bear. What animal is this? Polar bear. You find in the ice. They live among the ice, North Pole, South. So this is a polar bear. How beautiful he looks. What is this? It's a pussy cat. Where does the pussy cat live in your house? It's a polar bear, pussy cat. What is this? Who guards your house? Dog. This is the dog that guards your house. Good. And what is this? Gorgeous little animal. White horse. What is this? Horse. So we have a horse here. We have a dog here. We have a cat here. What are they? They're domestic animals. We keep them all in our house. And what is this? A polar bear, which is a wild animal. Good. So which is the odd one? The polar bear, which is the wild animal. That's the odd one out. Clever children. 3 domestic animals, 1 wild animal. Polar bear. Excellent.